Welcome in, welcome back to the channel, guys. I want to talk about something real quick, or explain something to you guys real quick on how, not so much getting tricked, but how paying attention to the vehicle can save you a lot of headache and a lot of trouble. All right, this is an '05 Grand Caravan, older model van. But so what I'm going to talk about will apply to any car. Okay, let me get this bill to shut up. Now I'm rolling now. Now, we just did some brakes on this car. For a noise, mind you. Okay, you get a ticket that says noise when braking. Naturally, you're going to inspect the brakes. Now, the brakes wasn't all the way wore out, but yes, brakes can make noise even if they're not wore out. Okay, you still can get some noise from brake pads and brake rotors and things like that, even if they still have material on it. I get that. I understand that. So, to make a customer happy sometime, you just have to do brakes. You just need to do some brakes on it. That's the only way they're going to be happy mentally, knowing they just got brakes done. Even if you explain to them, ma'am, you still, dust will accumulate, blah, blah, this, blah, blah, that. You can put stop squeak on them. From time to time, you still may hear some noise. But this is what irks me. I want y'all to listen to something. Okay, Bill, give me a break. Now, and this was an older couple too, guys. So mind you, they don't really know how to explain it. But it's up to the mechanic or the service advisor to pull this information out of them, guys. You cannot leave it up to, I'm not going to say older couples, but yes, you cannot leave it up to them to fully explain. Right there. Y'all hear that? Guys, that's what they was talking about. You know, you can be like, I'm not making fun of them, but I'm mimicking. Yeah, I hear a noise when I hit on my brakes, because normally if you turning slow, if you rolling slow and you turn, it's when you hear it. So because your foot on the brake, you will think it's a brake noise. Listen. Y'all hear that? That's steering noise when turning. Right there. You'll catch it sometime, and this will bring this customer right back. Now, we just done the brakes. I'm on my way to test drive, and I noticed this. That's why, guys, test drive before and after is crucial. Okay, please heed my warning on that. You do not want to be embarrassed. Imagine this customer go home just to turn around, come back. I still hear the noise, baby, you hear that? And then you go, well, golly, man, it wasn't a brake problem all along. But because the RO, the repair order said, mention the word brake, the mechanic automatically go into ching-ching mode. Yes, some more brakes. But guys, at the end of the day, we got to make sure that the complaint is fixed. Yeah, you can upsell and do everything you want to do, but the complaint needs to be addressed and fixed. Okay, nobody wants the car to come back. Now, y'all hear that? See, that is a steering shaft seal. Okay, that noise used to drive us crazy back in the day. I'm going to show y'all. Ooh. See, you do it real good when you roll it. I'm going to show y'all how to lube this steering shaft seal up to shut it up. Okay, it's the shaft seal under the steering wheel. We're going to go down there in a second, but yeah, that'll drive. This will make. All right, let me get in a nice, good position where I can get down there. Ooh, that was a hard one right there. All right, so I'm going to leave the car running. Now, here's what I got. This is what I'm going to use. Silicone spray lube. Anything, I should be showcased in my new PB blaster, but that's for rust stuff, exhaust, things like that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you this secret, guys. In fact, I may call this a secret to stopping brake noise. In fact, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm repairing a noise that was misled. That was not the misled. What's the word I'm looking for? I'm repairing a noise that was improperly described as brake noise. It's not brake noise, but when I repair the noise, it's a mental thing. A customer may perceive that her brake noise is gone, when in fact it wasn't a brake noise at all. Now, should I write this up and sell this to the customer? Absolutely not. You just did brakes. Guys, you do not have to get paid for every single thing you do. Sometimes take one for the team. Just in order to protect your image, okay? I'm a firm believer in protecting my image. There's so much free stuff I have done to customer vehicles. It's ridiculous. Just to avoid damaging my image. There's some misdiagnoses I have done in the past that nobody will ever know about. Simply because, first of all, I got it wrong. And second of all, I want to protect my image. I don't want the world to know that I get things wrong. And guys, everybody do. I don't care how good you is. You're going to misdiagnose some cars. Now, the way you address it will differentiate you from the next guy. There's times I'd shoot up the pull apart about 10 miles away. I misdiagnosed the part. Oh my God, that wasn't it. This the only thing that's left. It can be. Head up the pull apart, grab the part off the car, pay for it. Little or nothing, guys. Put it on there. The car's fixed. The customer or the company or nobody else never know. These are secrets I would take to my grave. I'm just being real, guys. Sometimes you got to take a L. Sometimes you got to take a L to protect your image. Now, let's go down here, dumpster diving. I'm going to show y'all this steering shaft seal. All right. Yeah. Automatic right here, guys. That's what, ooh, I got a good one right there. That's what's going on. That's what they're hearing, depending on what way they turn. That is a steering shaft seal, and it is just dry, rubbing up against rubber. So what I'm going to do is take some of this and simply lube up this. I should be using some lube. I'm going to get that on there. I want it to go I want it to go down in there. Now, how long will this last? I'm going to put some silicone white lube in there so it'll last a long time. All right, but for right now, I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing or what I'm trying to do. Look at that. Now you hear nothing. Guys, that's what I'm talking about. JT tips, secret online mechanic tips. You hear absolutely nothing. Now the customer would think their brakes is repaired. When in fact, oh my goodness. All right, guys. You guys can learn from my mistake, our mistake. I actually had a helper help me with this one. But the mere fact, like I say, they just mentioned the word brakes, turn mechanics on, because brakes is a low risk repair that's pretty much successful, or pretty much you're gonna get it right. All right, guys. I don't want to bore y'all. I've been talking. I know y'all hate talking all the time, so I'm gonna go test drive this car just to make sure the brakes are seated and everything fine. And that's it, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.